What's up, everybody? It's Vince, and today we're gonna do an unboxing of this Dewalt 1800 watt portable power station and parallel battery charger kit. Pretty cool. If you haven't seen the video where we purchased this portable power station, half price, we'll link that video here. But let's get this video started and this baby unboxed, and we're gonna do that in about 10 seconds.
Screaming last night when I pulled off the lot. That's not get right from my town. When you see me, you know everything. Black and yellow.
Why am I so excited about getting this baby unboxed? Well, quite frankly, I am vested in the Dewalt 20 volt max platform. This kit does come with 3 4 amp 20 volt max batteries. But what I'm really excited to get my hands on is the one flex volt battery, 60 volt, that's included in this kit. I don't have any flex volt tools. I haven't really had a chance to actually get my hands on a flex volt battery, so I gotta tell you, I'm excited to take a look at it. Also, I love to see how this power station is built. I mean, what I've seen, it looks really rugged. But in case this is your first time to the channel and you did not know, we love our Dewalt Tough system. If you haven't seen our video where we talk all about it, we'll link that video here. But this power station integrates beautifully with our Dewalt Tough system, so I want to get it sat right on top of this over here, our DS carrier, all these boxes. It's gonna look so great. Only thing I need next is a Tough System radio. Stay tuned. Let's get our Spyderco. Yo, Max 2 extra large. Loving it. Got plenty of plastic on this box. Tape, stuff. Whoa. We've opened the box. Yo, you know what's in the box?
Another box.
What's in the box? What's in the box? Yo, before we move on to that though, should we go over some stats? If you're not seeing this here, it says 1800, we talked about 1800 watt portable power station and parallel battery charger kit. It says 3600 peak watts out, 420 volt batteries in, 15 amps out. The other good thing is that you're gonna have a 120 volt power source, 15 amp power source, and you're able to use that power source without gasoline. Like, this isn't a generator, this is a battery operated inverter, basically. Pretty cool. So no gasoline is required. You're able to work, you're able to play, according to the box. It says 120 volt AC power virtually anywhere, 15 amps, and multi-port charger in one. Operates in either power or charging mode. Simultaneously charges up to 4 20 volt max batteries. Extension cord required, sold separately. Compatible with Dewalt Tough system. That's what I'm loving about it. For easy transport, onboard light indicators for low battery, under voltage, over temperature, and short circuit. You can see how flex volt compatible batteries. This includes 1 flex volt battery for long runtime in 20 volt max tools. Compatible with 60 volt max and 120 volt max, 2 60 volt max batteries. Tools for the power you need. The tool warranty is a 3-year on the power station itself and 1 year free service, 90-day money back guarantee. Battery warranty, 3-year limited warranty, 3-year free service. Pretty cool. So on the top here, I don't know if you can see this. Ow! It looks as though we have another box. And on the side here, you can see, we have our battery packs. Here is our flex volt battery. Wow. This battery pack is beastly. Look at it. So, 20 volt max, 6 amp hours, 60 volt max. This is a lithium ion battery. Look at it. You have to please remove this. Just look at it. Please remove this before use. It's pretty funny. So you have to take the tape off. Right? And then it's saying to remove the red here. Oh, duh. And then it pops off. The funny thing is that it says use with this off. It's saying to transport with it on. So you're supposed to hold on to this according to this little label here. And if you're going to transport your batteries, you're supposed to put this red clip back on. Pretty cool. I like that the power indicators on the front, this 60 volt max actually has a charge up to 2 bars. Pretty cool. You know, the good part with that 60 volt battery is the indicator is on the front. It's funny. We talked about how on this hammer drill, chip and gun rotary hammer drill, when you put the battery on the tool, the indicators are on the inside and you can't see the indicator. It's like a real bummer. But if you were to use your flex volt battery, which is compatible with all 20 volt max tools, you now have your battery indicator at the rear so you can see it. Wow. So proof enough, the 60 volt batteries, the flex volt batteries will work with your standard 20 volt max tools. I gotta tell you, I guess. Let me ask you a question. Is it my imagination or does it sound like it's operating quicker with the 20 volt max battery?
It's because it's fully charged.
This is fully charged, you're correct. This only has 2 bars. Hashtag just saying. Maybe we'll revisit that test once we've fully charged the 60 volt battery. Let's take a look at our 20 volt max batteries. The kit comes with 3 of them. Yo, I gotta tell you, I'm gonna hold on to these. Yo, you think I should make a sandwich for tomorrow's lunch and put them in here? Keep these bags? What do you think?
Taquitos.
I'm gonna put my taquitos in these bags. You know it! I love taquitos! Nick, what's a taquito?
It's a roll of some sort.
Like a sushi roll?
Like a taco roll.
Can I get that over at Benihana? No? Yo, fun fact for everybody. Do you know who started Benihana? Leave it down in the comment section below. Better question. Does anybody know who the son of the founder of Benihana is? Leave that down in the comment section below. Bet you don't know. Maybe you do. So these are the 3 4 amp hour 20 volt max batteries. Boom, kit includes 4 batteries. Awesome. Let's get to the tool part. Whoa! It's another box. So if you were not fortunate enough to get this kit on sale like we did, half price, we linked the video here, showed you when we got it, showed you how to get it. Maybe you bought your power station tool only. And if you did, it would probably come in a box like this. I like the bigger box, the one with the batteries. Hashtag just saying. Let's pull out our knife again. The power station's number is DCB1800B. Pretty cool. Man, this thing is really good looking. This is handsome. This is a handsome tool. Look at it, it's packaged so nice too. Look at that. It's got like a little thing here on the front. I like that it has the inlet. I like this inlet here. This way you just plug your extension cord, boom, as an inlet, kind of like the inlets on our contractor's tool trailer. You can go check that video here. People are like, yo, where do you get those inlets at? We tell you in that video, I think. But if not, go check out that video anyway and leave the comment down below. I'll answer you. Let's pull it out. Man, this thing's nice. This thing is nice. What else do we have in the box? What's in the box? We have a quick start guide. Warning, to reduce the risk of injury, user must read the instructions manuals. How to turn on power out mode. Firmly install 4 charged 20 volt max batteries. Unplug extension cord from charger in if necessary. Starting with your tool or device off, plug into the power out receptacle, press and release the on off button. Red side LED panel LED will illuminate. Solid red when running properly. Pretty cool. As you can see, you have your charger inlet. Now, the only thing is that you'll need an extension cord to use this in the charger function. So it doesn't have a cord. It's the only thing. Here's your on off button. Here's your power out. And then here are the slots. You can slide your battery on. I guess it really doesn't matter in which configuration. You could put these on. You could put, one 20 volt max here, then the 60 volt, then 2 more 20 volt max. I don't believe it matters. I could be wrong. Boom. That's it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of our Dewalt power station. If you like the video, smash the like button. If you like our channel, like our style, like this video, get subscribed. Also, if you know somebody that needs a battery-powered extension cord, you could do one of 2 things. You could either A, share this video with them, or you could send them the Renaissance tools, but you'd have to send straight cash, homie, and I don't know how they feel about that. But they could go with the Dewalt power station, then they would have a battery-powered extension cord. With that, I will say I appreciate every single one of you. Thanks a lot, everybody. Have a great day. Yo, you still here? Psych! Yo, all the people that clicked off. They're all gonna miss the best part. You really think I wasn't? Yo, I have to put it on the tough system yet. I'm gonna plug it in. I'm gonna see how it charges the batteries. We might even run a skill saw with this. Why run a skill saw with it? Because we love skill saw so much. Yo, if you didn't see the video where we demolished Tool Review Zone with our skill saw, we'll link it right here. Yo, everybody got all impatient. I can't believe it. They clicked off right now. My God, it's so funny. Now, the only bummer, and I don't know that it really is a total bummer, is that you can't slide this, from what I'm seeing, onto your DS carrier. So you need to have at least one Tough System box on your DS carrier for it to work in conjunction with the Tough System. But it's as simple as, boom, it sits on top of one of the boxes, and then you close your clips in. Boom. You could always use one of these Tough System boxes to house, let's just say, extension cords. So this can be your power station kit. So you can put your tri-taps in here, maybe some power strips, and a number of extension cords to use with your Dewalt power station. It makes perfect sense. I gotta tell you, I love it like this. This is really awesome. I love it when a plan comes together. So, once you have your batteries on your charger, what you can do is, number one, get yourself an extension cord that's plugged into a wall outlet, and then plug it into your inlet or your charger in. Okay? Now, the system is electrified. We don't need to hit the power button on the charger for it to go into charging mode. It immediately goes into charge mode, and it's flashing red. It indicates that it is charging. What we're gonna do is, for the sake of time, we're gonna pull out our charger in. We're gonna plug in our tool. Okay, once our tool's plugged in, you can see, no power. So what we need to do to electrify and use the power out is to just push the button. Boom, we have power. Now, will it run our skill saw? If you could run our skill saw, I'm gonna call this a win. With that, I wanna say, if you like this video and unboxings and new tools, even if they're not brand new to the market, they're new to us. Smash the like button. If you like this video, like our channel, like our style, get subscribed. Also, make sure you crack the bell. Act like you're on Independence Mall, smashing the Liberty Bell, crack it, because you'll want to be notified with all the happenings of the Very Cool Guys and the Very Cool Gang, because we publish videos daily, we go live all the time, and we're always doing giveaways. Also, if you have this power station, you love it, you hate it, you sold it, leave it down in the comment section below. With that, I want to say I appreciate every single one of you. Thanks a lot, everybody. Have a great day. This thing's awesome. Yo, this thing is awesome. Like 20-volt batteries into line voltage. It's amazing. It's wizardry. Did you like that video? Wondering what to watch next? Well, why don't you click over here and watch this video? Or click over here and watch this video. If you really like our content, we hope you consider getting subscribed by clicking right here. Thanks a lot, and have a great day, guys.